Alright, I still need to get a fucking haircut. But you know what time it is? It's fucking beer time. I'm gonna try some Labatt's Blue now. It's been a request from some people. Been fucking asking me to get some Labatt's Blue. Let's fucking have a sip of this shit. You know what this tastes like? This tastes like OV. Fuck, I paid $14.50 for 6-pack of this shit. And there's no way I'd fucking drink this regularly. I'll do a beer review on it later, but no fucking way. Oh, I'm telling you, it's always one thing after another. Gotta do fucking ball joints, this ball joint shot, this inner bearing shot. I thought the bearings were gonna be alright, but fucking might as well do all the ball joints and all the wheel bearings as well, for fuck's sakes. Alright, today is Saturday, it's about 1:30 or so. Just got into the garage, had kind of a late morning. Working early all week, not getting much sleep, like 4 hours a night, 4 or 5 hours a night, busy doing shit, and I decided, well, I'm just gonna sleep in today, so I slept in till noon. Fucking felt good, feel kind of lazy, but I gotta get some shit done today. There's supposed to be a big snowstorm coming. You can see right there, it says currently 15 degrees, and I go short term. Overnight, it's supposed to start raining, and then tomorrow 5 to 10 centimeters of fucking snow. And then winter's here, and then Thursday's supposed to be, yeah, shit show. My summer tires are getting pretty thin, not quite down to the wear bars yet, but pretty freaking close. Now before I put the rims back on, I always like to use copper coat. Because you know, if you had your alloy rims on your Beamer before and you go take them off and you have to smash them off with a hammer because they're fucking stuck on there, put some anti-seize in the hub like that and you'll never have that issue. Alright, we're all ready for winter. Got the winter tires on, tire pressure's checked, winter floor mats in the car. I think we're good. I think we're freaking good for tomorrow. Alright, I don't have the tire mounted, I just set it up against, but I want to kind of have a look and how the Jeep's gonna look when I get those 33s on there. And fuck me, she's gonna look sexy. Super sexy. You know, these old girls have treated me well, but it's like pussy. It gets stale, it's time to get some fresh stuff. Alright, I just got finished installing my Heat Demon grips. Gonna be pretty pumped for those in the coming winter. And I got some bands to fix those. I gotta re-grease that one up. I gotta clean the grease out to inspect it because the band came off, so I'm gonna reband those up. Clean up a little bit perhaps. Probably start stripping down that engine so I could take it to the wreckers. And yeah, time to go inside now, kick back, relax for a bit, and head out tonight. These new LED lights sure aren't pretty, but holy fuck are they bright. Way brighter than the other ones. These are a 20 watt LED with the equivalent of a 100 watt light, and then I'm telling you, makes a huge difference. Alright, let's start pounding this beer so I can fucking pull native. Alright, since I'm holding the camera, I'm gonna fucking pour this. And she's gonna get head like fucking a fat chick giving a blowjob to a fucking John in the back alley. Holy fuck, it's foamier than fuck, boys. Look at all that foam. Holy crap. Yesterday was so nice, but like I said, the storm is here. Starting to snow. Holy fuck, it's finally here. Yesterday was double digits, could wear shorts, and today, fucking toque jacket. Time to put away the shorts. It's been a good run, but now I gotta wear pants for the rest of the year. Since it's such a cold day out, good day to make chili. Keep yourself warm. 4.5 hours left. Alright, I think I'm going to place my TIG welder because I haven't used that for a really long time. Try to figure all this shit out. The one at work is so much more simpler. All you got is your voltage on the side, and you just turn on your gas and go. And this one here, I got a 2-step, 4-step, what kind of hertz I want for pulse and all that shit. So I'm gonna try to figure this out. I got a piece of stainless steel here, cut it, polish her up, got my rod, got my pedal, gonna grab my stick down there, and we're gonna give this a whirl. So you can see right here, my TIG welding skills kind of suck. I use 2 different size rods. That's quite a bit thicker one. This is a thinner one. This first piece here, the hole's burnt. I was trying to find my amperage or voltage I want to put through it. Then I did 2 with the big thick rod, and then the 2 with the smaller rod seemed to turn out a little bit better. But this is one of those things that, I mean, those guys who can weld like cans together or make those beautiful welds on stainless, that's a lot of fucking skill, and it takes time to practice. So I'm gonna cut this piece up and practice some more. Alright, I cut these 2 pieces in half. As you can see, I'm just gonna tack them together and then see how good of a job I do taking that together. Yeah, I think that's starting to look quite a bit nicer now. So what I did right there is essentially use the metal itself and heat it up and melted it together, and that's how it turned out. Yeah, so there's my TIG welder right here. It's an Invertech V160 Lincoln. It's just a DC welder. I wish it was a AC DC so I could do aluminum, but unfortunately it's not. But I don't really know a whole bunch about it, like as far as, you know, what the hertz does. I know this is your gas and shit, you know, high frequency TIG, 2-step, 4-step. I don't know, maybe someone out there in YouTube land knows a little bit more about this and could give me some insight a little bit more. That'd be helpful, because I would really like to learn how to use this a little bit better. But, you know, the instruction book is pretty limited, and try to search for this model online but not have any luck with people like doing videos of it. So, you know what I'm saying? Oh boy, this fucking backwoods cherry tobacco smells so nice. I'm gonna load up my pipe and fucking smoke it. Alright, now that it's finally winter, fuck beer drinking's gonna be cut way back. It's time for whiskey and rum. But first, this cherry tobacco, let's try this out. Oh yeah, it's gonna taste good. Chili with some melted cheese, couple dinner buns, Pilsner beer, steam whistle, and some containers to put it all in for lunches for the next few days. Let's chow down.